Stuck with Coursera in a language you don't understand? Here's exactly how to switch it in under 30 seconds. So here's the thing. You're trying to take a course, or maybe you just landed on the homepage, and everything is in a language that just doesn't click for you. It's frustrating, right? You know the content you want is there, but the buttons and menus are all wrong. That's a total roadblock. But we're going to fix that right now. I'll walk you through the simple steps. Log in, access settings, choose your language, and save. It's really that straightforward. And I'll show you exactly where to click so you don't waste any time hunting around. First, make sure you're logged into your Coursera account. This only works if you're signed in, because the language setting is tied to your profile. So if you're not already there, head over to Coursera.org and log in with your email or through Google or whatever you use. It takes a second. All right, so now that you're on the main page, look all the way up to the top right corner. See your name or your profile picture? It's usually a small circle with your initials or a photo. Click on that. Then, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all your personal account options live. It's a clean list, so you can't miss it. Now, you're on your account settings page. I want you to scroll down. Keep going until you see the section labeled Account. It's not all the way at the bottom, but it's usually about halfway down the page. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see a heading that says Account, and then right below it, an option for Language. Under that language heading, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it. It should show whatever language it's currently set to, maybe something like English or a different one. When you click it, you'll get a long list of all the languages Coursera supports. Just find the one you want and select it. It's as simple as picking from a list. And here's the really important part. Once you've made your selection, do not just close the page or navigate away. You have to lock it in. Scroll down a little more or look to the side, and you'll find a blue Save button. Click that. This is the step that actually applies the change to your account. Without clicking Save, your selection will just disappear next time you load a page, so make sure you hit that button. Give it a moment to process. The page might refresh, or you might see a quick confirmation. And that's it. You are done. From now on, when you browse Coursera, everything will be in the language you just picked. The course titles, the navigation, the descriptions, all of it. You've taken a frustrating situation and solved it in less than a minute. So go ahead, jump into that course you wanted to take. You've got the control back. Thanks for watching.